Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to today's topic. Difference between could and would. Actually, most of the time we get confused where we use could and where we use would. So here I tell you about the use of could and would. So first we take could. The first use of could is the past form of can. Means could is the past form of can. Here you can see the example. I could run a mile in 10 minutes when I was young. So this is the past situation, past form. When I was young, I could run a mile. Okay. Now second use is possible situation. Means could is used for possible situation. The example, it could rain tonight. It could rain tonight means this is the possible situation. It is not sure. Now third use is polite expression. 3 points are in polite expressions. Number 1, making suggestion, making request and ask for permission. Number 1, we take number 1, making suggestion. So you can see the example of making suggestion. We could try this new restaurant. So this is the situation. This is the suggestion. Okay. That we could try this new restaurant. This is the suggestion for someone. Second is making request. You can see the example here. Could you open the window please? Could you open the window please? So this is the request form. This is the request. Now third is ask for permission. The example is, could I borrow your car? This is the permission. Someone takes the permission to borrow the car. Could I borrow your car? So, there is a 3 point making suggestion, making request and ask for permission. You can use could in 3 points, in 3 situations. Okay. Now we take would. So we take first use of would, the same past form of will. Example, I knew we would win the match. This is the past. Would is used in past form. Okay. Now second is imaginary situation. Imaginary situation. Example, if I had ₹1,000,000, I would buy a car. If I means you can see if he has ₹1,000,000, he would buy a car. So this is a imaginary situation. Okay. He just imagined to be a millionaire. Now third situation is polite expression. Okay. Polite expression. You can see here polite expression. Number 1, making offer. Number 2, making request. And number 3, ask for permission. You can see here these 2 points are used in could also. Okay. So these are the common points for could and would. Now first we take making offer. So would is used to make offer. Here you can see the example. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? So this is the offer of tea. Number 2, making request. Would you open the window please? This is the request form. And third is ask for permission. Someone is asking to take permission. Here you can see the example. Would you mind if I borrow your car? Would you mind if I borrow your car? So someone is taking the permission to borrow someone's car. Okay, so this is the permission, and this is request form, and this is offer. So now I hope that you understand that where we use could and would. And if you like this, you can click the like button, and thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it.